The Government of Timor-Leste, represented by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation, His Excellency Bendito dos Santos Freitas, together with Dr. Alue Dohong, Assistant Director General of the Food and Agriculture Organization, marked an important milestone with the signing of the Host Country Agreement and the official launch of the FAO Country Programming Framework at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation. The Host Country Agreement formally strengthens cooperation between Timor-Leste and the FAO, providing a clear legal and operational framework for FAO presence and activities in the country.
For the government, this agreement reflects our strong conviction that FAO is a trust and strategic partner in our national development. By providing premises, operational support, and national staff, we aim to ensure the FAO's presence in Timor-Leste full integrate, well coordinate, and align with our national priorities.
Now, with this agreement is expected to improve coordination, technical support, and long-term engagement in key development sectors.
The most important for us is how we can promote this nutritious food, right? To provide food with a healthy diet and so on. So that one of the major responsibility or tasks of the FAO through this agri-food system transformation. So through the improved nutrition, improved healthy diets, and so on.
Meanwhile, the Country Programming Framework outlines FAO's priorities here in Timor-Leste, focusing on food security, sustainable agriculture, rural development, and resilience to climate change. The framework aims to support farmers, improve agricultural productivity, and enhance nutrition, particularly for vulnerable communities.
Today at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, we have signed the cooperation with Food and Agriculture Organization, one of the very well-known agencies of the United Nations Organization, with the objectives to establish or to deepen the cooperation between Timor-Leste and the FAO, particularly in cooperation with the Ministry of Agriculture, Livestock, Fishery, and this is very important for us. The main focus of the program is to develop in the areas of the food security, nutrition, sustainable development program, as well as moving towards cooperating for the capacity building, institutional reinforcement. I think it's very important to underscore the cooperation in terms of the production of agriculture, diversification of agricultural activities. That is why this cooperation with FAO is really very important, very significant for our country, for Timor-Leste, as it aims mainly or touch the ground, touch the grassroots people, the farmers who are engaged directly in day-to-day basis on economic development in rural areas. So I think this is very important. We are expecting that this cooperation will bring more results for the future and for the success for our people in terms of food security. We hope so.
And so officials highlighted that both the HCA and CPF play a crucial role in aligning international support with national development priorities, reinforcing Timor-Leste's efforts to build a more resilient and food-secure future. Digna Serang, Argentina Cardozo, TATOLI.